In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the WPS Wi-Fi setup of your Brother MFC J1260w printer. First step is to go to your wireless router. On the router, press and hold the WPS button for 3 seconds and then release it. If your router has a display panel, then you can scroll down and click on the Connect Wi-Fi device WPS and press OK. Now go to your printer. On the printer, press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds and then release it. Wait for the Wi-Fi to connect with the router. It will take less than 2 minutes. So right now we can see it is connected with the Wi-Fi network. Next step is to add in a smartphone for wireless printing and scanning. In the smartphone, you have to download the Brother Mobile Connect app. In the app, click on the Add Machine. Select the first option, Add Connected Machine. It will display your printer. Select. There are some options for connected services. Skip this, activate later. For ink subscription, click on the maybe later. And we can skip this tab. Click on the exit setup. It will take you to the Brother website. So just go back to your app and you will see your printer with the estimated level of ink, and now we can start using it. Thanks for watching.